Welcome to another stream of Stac Traxx. The 4 phases RPI. That really confuses me. Because Raspberry Pi, RPI. Retro programs inside Game Jam. Right, so I'm trying to look back. Now SP's been bombarding me with goodies. And I can't remember where we got up to. We did the desert, didn't we? Oh, right. So, titles. Right. So, we've got some titles. So, this is title number 1. Title number 1. So for the front screen and stuff like that, we have got another one, I think, title number 2. Title number 3. So we have 3. I'm gonna have to put this. So I'm gonna have to put this into Discord. We're gonna have to put this in Discord so we can vote. But I know what my favourite is. I know what my favourite is. So we got that one. So that's number 1, number 2, and then number 3. And then he's... Oh, I need to do that one, don't I? Number 3, number 1 and number 3. So, Battle Zone. Where's Battle Zone? So, he's created a new landscape as well. So, here we go. So, we've got a new landscape, which is very similar to the Battle Zone landscape. So when we come to doing the machine language version, we'll have some different backgrounds to play with. What? What's this? Welcome everybody. Welcome back to another. Hey up, buddy. Are you crept in here? Oh, that's such a squirrel moment in there. So, we have a battle zone, but then he's also changed. The sprites as well. What am I looking for? I'll find them eventually, mate. Ah, here we go. So we've got some new sprites to probably go with the battle zone. Here we go. So let's get them running. So that's one, and there was another one as well. Here we go. Or I to be honest, I prefer them. I prefer them for that battle zone, because that does go with it, doesn't it? What? Please note that there are RPI members here, I noticed. Else I disqualify... What? What? Hello everybody! Have I got any RPI members? If you have, say hello! So, we will put the title screen. I'll put it in Discord, and we'll have a retro programmers inside. Yes, I know. RPI, Raspberry Pi. It's unfortunate, but no malice intended. Malice intended. Now, I prefer this set to go with this. Eh? I know, mate. I know you're pulling my leg, mate. But I prefer this set. Now, is everything in there? Oh, it's just the tanks. Mate, I prefer this one. Yeah? I prefer that one to go in that. So what we need is all the other ones as well. Yeah? Or we need the cannons and the explosions all to be in that. I do like that, to be honest. I do like that. I do like that. That, with that background, I can't wait to do it in machine code. I can't wait. Can't wait. So yeah. So as you can see, we've got three different backgrounds now. So we've got the normal one, whichever that one is. Hang on, I can't remember which. I've got so many. Was it that one? Or that one, wasn't it? Yeah, so we've got that one. Yeah, we got that one. And then we've got the desert one. Yeah, so there's the desert one. So these are all ones that we're going to be using for the thing. So, right then. So just showing what SP's been up to. Right. Which is really, really good. So I'll put these three in Discord and we can vote on them, right? We can vote on them. And then we'll incorporate it. Hey! Hey Proton, welcome! What has happened to the layout? What do you mean what's happened to the layout? What's happened to the layout? Right then. So, let's get into this. Right. So, this is where we left off, right? So here we go. Run. We'll have to go into warp mode. Oh. Line 140. Right, there we go. Sorted. Colours and the chat messages. What's wrong with the chat messages? The colour is a random colour unless someone specifies it. And the chat messages is me trying to create my own chat window that filters out all the rubbish. Filters out all the rubbish. So I tried to mess around with CSS. I'm not brilliant at CSS, but I think I did alright. But it filters out all the Streamlabs stuff. It filters out all the bot stuff. So only the actual messages get put on the screen. And it has an Andy filter. Well, I mean, I did it. Oh, Aston's moved again. Yeah, he had a bit of an accident yesterday. There we go. And it's not ST or Mac chat gets through. So no ST or Mac chat gets through. Right. Right, so this is where we got up to, yeah? So we worked out our bands, yeah? Yeah, we worked out our bands. Now I was targeted for a better word. Targeted's probably not the word I would use. I was asked, why didn't I have a continuous thing? And I thought, we're in basic, right? We're in basic, so live with it. But when we do machine code, we'll do a better job of it. Oh yeah, I think you can add words to the list that chat won't allow. Well, the bot is not filtering, but we could put a filtering system in. So, all I have done since last time was, as you saw, we didn't have a line 91, yeah, here. Because 91 is now this, yeah, which is 575. So it's setting up the tank. Now at the moment we've evenly spaced them, but we've got the randomization stuff there. And also I've put a tank direction flag in. Right? So that will result in either -1, 0 or 1, which will equal left, stood still, right. Right? So we can make the tanks go backwards and forwards, yeah? But that will be when we do the hard, when we do hard. Easy's where the tanks are still there, yeah? They're just stood still. But when it gets to hard, yeah, then we'll get them moving, yeah? So that is another variable that we need to put in. So hang on. Let me stick this in. So difficulty equals 0. And then no, difficulty 1. That's probably better. And then here we'll put if difficulty is not equal to 1, then TD, no, if difficulty is equal to 1, then TD TN equals 0. Go to 57530. There we go. So if it's 1, which is easy, then we're going to bypass the randomizer so they're all stood still. Yeah. And then what I was going to do, I was going to put some code in here that will allow us to do the changing of the pointers. Now, I was trying to remember what we put the pointers at. Right, 75 to no. Oh, where's all my notes that I wrote down? Oh, we'll have to work out. Right, so this is where were the pointers, yeah, the tank pointers. So that's the default, yeah. But right, so let's get the tanks up, so I can, just to make sure that I'm not talking at my bum. Right, so we are using I think it's smoke, isn't it? Is it that one? Was it that one? Yeah, I think it's that one, isn't it? So the big one is 129, yeah? That means that is 128 plus 29. Right. Let's write that down. Write that down, John. Write that down. So 128 plus 29 is large. And then we've got 37 equals medium, and 45 equals small. So that they equal, right, let's get the calculator out. 128 plus 29 is 157. 128 plus 37 is 165. And 128 plus 45 is 173. Right. Let's do this. So what we're doing, we're defaulting it, yeah? We're defaulting it to these. But what we're gonna put a line in that says if difficulty equals 2, that means it's hard, then this is going to be changed to, so this one will be 157, yeah, here is going to be 165, and here will be 173. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to 2. So we should get we should get a random looking tank. Should get a random looking tank, hopefully. And I am getting an error. What? Oh. Yeah. Well, it's 0 to 2, yeah? 0, 1, 2. 3 states. It's a good question. It's a good question. It's a good question. Well, we'll see. Well, they're pointing the other way, aren't they? Oh, just done run. I didn't mean to do run. I needed to do go to 80, go to 90. Oh well. Yeah, go to 90. I know, mate. I know. Plank. Muppet. What are you doing, John? Oh. I can't remember. Did we add any more sounds? Oh yeah, we got Wally, haven't we? We've got Wally. We got Wally. They're all going the other way. They're all going the other way. On the emulator, how do you do run, stop, and restore? I thought it was escape and something. Escape and home? No. What's run, stop, and restore on the emulator? Aha! Aha! Oh, I don't like it because we changed the thing. Oh, we changed the print routine, didn't we? We changed the. Hang on. Where did I put it? Aha, there. Poke 648. Right. So poke poke 648, 4. There we go. John knows his stuff. Hey. Right. Print. TD. Zero. Zero. -1. So 2 was -1. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do this. -1. -1. -1. 0. -1. -1. 0. Minus. Okay. Let's do that then. -1. 1. 0. Well, there you go. That answered that question. Who said that? Who said that? Mikroman. There you go, mate. Well done. Well done. And by the way, run, stop, and restore was escape and page down, page up. Escape and page up, apparently. Right. So, they're the 3 states we want. So -1, 0, and when we get it, 1. There we go. They're the 3 states that we want, and they're for going left and right, right and left. Yeah. So I created another. So I've created the X. Yeah. So I've created the X. Yeah. So what we can do now is to make them go left and right. Yeah. Is we need to put the movement in. Yeah. So so let's do this. So speed equals 1. Maybe I need to do this right. df equals difficulty. 1 equals easy. 2 equals hard. Oh, I'm gonna forget what all the variables are. Right. SP equals tank speed. TK equals tank distance. So TX tank X position. TB tank sprite pointer. Tank space sprite base pointer. TD tank direction. -1 equals left. 0 equals still. 1 equals right. Right, okay, what else have we got? What other variables have I got that I've forgotten about? Right, FR is frame. DE. Oh, I've forgotten what DE is. I've forgotten what DE is. If anybody knows what DE was, let me know, because I've forgotten. Don't need to worry about K because that's unique to that. That's unique to that. Direct inquiry. Oh, we need these as well, don't we? We'll put them at the top. Right, so that is why barrel, no, turret, isn't it? Turret, exit, speed, meters per second. This is X, turret, exit, speed. Do we use DE anywhere? DS is distance of projectile for this angle. Yeah.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Line 140. Yeah. So this goes, this loops frame, adds one to DE, goes to 120. But that goes back to 92, which is redoing the tanks again. No, you're fine, mate. You're fine. You're fine. Right, is there any other values I need to put in there so we don't forget what they are? That's fine. That's alright. That's alright. Right, it's just DE. We need to, it could be a delay. I'm not sure. Right, so this is where we set the Y and also set the base So $57200. Do we go to 57200 anywhere? That's the frame. Oh, it's this, isn't it? It's the display. That's this bit here. So that's going back to the display. Right then. Okay. So we need to work out X. So I would say we all get X, so we can do it here. Right. So 5, 4, 3. Leave that there. Right. So x equals x plus TN's still a thing. So tank direction, open bracket, TN. Right. So flying midgets. Right. If x is less than 0, no, not less than 0, less than, what's the outer limit of the sprites? Is it 28? Well, that's not quite what I was wanting. No, back up. That, is that what I was wanting? No. Border is 23 pixels. I know it's 50 from the top, and I do know that. But that is not the screen I was after. I really should bookmark these things. I thought it was part of this series, wasn't it? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right, 23 in and 29. Right, okay. 29. Okay. And while we're at it, I'm going to go there and I'm going to do that. Keep them open in groups. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So if x is less than 23, 24, because I'm going to do 25. Yeah. Then TD open bracket TN is going to equal 1. Because we want it to turn it the other way. Who's a lightweight? Who's a lightweight? Hey Kylodos, welcome. Right. Then we'll do 1. And we'll do this again. But we don't need to do that. But we're going to go if x is greater than 343. No, because that will be the tank off. So 343 minus 24 is 323, 319, 318. 318. And then we turn it around. Right. Makes my 400 plus in one browser. Guys, Google Chrome just eats memory when you do that. Just eats memory. Right, so I'm not going to do 318, but I will put a comment here. I'm going to do 255 minus 24, which is 235, 231, 230. Just so it keeps it, not going to worry about the most significant bit just yet. Yeah. Right, so now I'm wondering if we're doing this just to get them to go up and down the screen. Well, we're not going to be bothered with that now. So I'm going to get it to do the randomization of the angle and the position. And then we'll just get it to do it once. So this is going to go to 93. Right, let's see if we get any moving tanks. Let's see if we get any moving tanks. The new version deallocates RAM for inactive tabs. All right. Right, let's see. Let's see. Do we get any movement? Do we get it moving in the right way? That'll be my thing. Need to get milk before shop shut. Right. Oh. Well, that's a good error, John. Oh, I wonder what that says. I wonder what that says. Will it copy it? Will it copy and paste? How do you select? How do you select? Yeah. Get me child pad up and look at the. I'll tell you what. Let's not change the. Let's not change the screen. Right. So 56576. That's the one, isn't it? Let's not do that. Right. Hey, Stuart. Welcome. Did you manage to sort out the website, mate? Or is it something bigger than that's the problem? Yeah, I ran the whole line. I just want it to. You've been made redundant. Oh no. And I've just gone through a cull at my place. I've just gone through a cull. Not pleasant. I did lose a team member. To be honest, I thought I was going as well. But apparently they wanted to keep me on. Oh crap. We're not in warp mode. Hang on, put it in warp mode. Right, show me the error message. Come on. Make the very last program line, the char set. Yeah, I'm thinking that. I'm thinking that. Here we go. Here we go. Next, without 4 error in 57530. Next without 4. Oh. Don't need that. Don't need that. Right, that's sorted that out. That sorted that out. Right. A new computer. Yeah, I don't blame you, mate, to be honest. I don't blame you. Right. Let's see. Do we get tanks going backwards and forwards on different levels? So we've got it in warp mode. So this, for all those people that have not joined our stream that are lurking, we are loading the sprite data, but because we've got so many sprites, it takes a while. It takes a while. Oh. And because it's a basic program, yeah, I need a new PC, but my solar battery took the money that was going to pay for a new PC. Oh dear. Oh, you are joking me. Right. Time for a reorg. Right, let's grab that. Let's do all that. And 90 is where we go. So we'll do that. We'll make that 89. So rem that out. That's not going to make any difference whatsoever. What we need is we need to know what the original values are, which we'll do that now. So let's fire up. Let's fire up. Let's see, 64. Let's fire up Vice. Right, print peak 56576. So that's 151. what's the other one? Print peak 53272 is 21. Oh, 56576. Oh, yeah. Really, it's that one, isn't it? It's the 272 one that we want. Yeah, it's the 272 one we want. Because 5353272, yeah. Sys327668 is good. 36, but that's a soft reboot. Yeah, but it won't. We need to know what the error message is. Yeah. So this is. I think it's this one. 53272. We need to use. So when it crashes, we can poke that. Yeah. Alt F4. Yeah, right. Like I'm going to do Alt F4. I'm not falling for that one again. So Stuart, how you doing? I know probably going to be around Christmas time. I know how you're feeling, mate, because like I say, I've just gone through. They got rid of 13,000 employees in one swoop. So yeah, I know I know what you're going through, but I managed to survive. Right, poke. Oh, bowling! I love 10-pin bowling. Poke 53272, comma 21. Oh, you're joking. Poke 53272, comma 21. Ah, no! No!
Ah! What a plank.
That was perfection. That was perfection. The number 5 was repeated. Oh, right. Okay. Oh, I'm running in. Oh, yeah. But it didn't do it anyway. It didn't do it anyway.
Ah! What a plank.
Hey, Grey Defender. Welcome. Oh. I poked the wrong number, yeah. Oh. Is it that one? No. Oh, right. It looks like a syntax error. It looks like a syntax error. And it is a syntax error. Right, I'm going to leave that there. Does anybody see the syntax error? Yeah. And there. Oops. Oops. Yes, Stuart. You've not been on for a while, so we are on version 3.5 on the bot. So now we've got a list of sound effects. Everybody's got their own intro, and I'm sure some of them are going to try them out now. We've got the plank, we've got the listen, but the listen is customized to yourself. So if you have your own listen, you can do that. At the weekend, we integrated it with that. So now we've got a fruit machine that's that GaryMeg's written that we're going to embed into it. So yeah, the bot is much more feature rich, let's say that, than I think you've got version 1? Version 1, I think. So yeah, we're on version 3.5. So I can't wait for you to start streaming again, by the way. I'm missing you sorting out oh, so 2 tanks. Syntax error. There's another syntax error there. Where's that then? I wonder if it's this. I wonder if it's that. I don't think that works very well in BASIC. $572. Okay, we'll do that then. I'm not sure that would have been sent through, but we don't know. If it does as a syntax error, I'll tell AJ, because I would have expected that to be ignored. So we'll tell AJ. I mean, he watched last week's stream and did some modifications and brought out a new version, didn't he? There was 2 numbers in the syntax error. Right, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, so need to add. Oh yeah, yeah. Good spot, mate. Keep forgetting that. Good spot, mate. 2 characters, yeah. And you spotted that as well. Well done. Yeah, I would have expected that comment not to have gone through, but we'll see. We'll do a test and then I'll tell AJ if it's doing it. But he's brought out a new version anyway because he was watching last week's stream. Have the points been reset? Yes, they were. They were reset at the start of the year, mate. Don't worry about the points because, right, in my bot there's going to be 2 versions of the points, right? There's going to be merit points and there's going to be fruit points, chat points. And so when I implement what we did at the weekend into this bot, there's going to be the merit points, which are the points that I issue out, which will determine who's the best of the viewers, yeah? And then there's the chat points that will accumulate so you can play the fruit machine, yeah? Here we go. And we don't have any movement. Are they all zeros then? There must be all zeros. Oh. Oh. I'm poking every number. I'm poking every number bar the one. Now I'm not going to know what it is. So we're going to 93. 93. Okay. Yeah. But it's not erroring now. Okay, right, so print TD open bracket 0 1. Right, so we do have an issue that two of them are moving. Two of them are moving, but they're not actually moving. Right. So what could be causing that? Hmm. 272222. 57222. Print X. Oh no, wrong. Go to 90. Nothing's moving. Nothing's moving. Why is nothing moving? 175, 149, 79. Why is nothing moving? Am I jumping to the wrong place? No, I'm jumping to there. Oh, hang on. Let me catch up with chat. DM. Or in my DM.
What a 42-carat plonker you really are!
Oh dear, right, okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, let's do that. Right, so play play plonker, yeah? There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's not ad play, is it? Sorry, it's not ad play. It's ad sound, isn't it? There we go. There we go. Do you want to try it, anybody?
What a 42 carat plonker you really are!
We need an image to go with that now. We need an image so we can put the image on it. Oh dear. Right. Why? Why is that not doing it? Should be doing it there. It's only right channel only. Oh, okay. Well, we could, yeah. I'm sure somebody can do it. Why is that not modifying the X? That should be modifying the X. So this is where we're doing the TN. So that's doing the TN. Okay, so why is this X not changing? Right, I can understand. Right, that should be going up one. Oops. That should be stood still, and that should be going up by one. So why is it not? Why is it not? Oh, I know why. Oh, John, you're an idiot. Ugh. You're an idiot. That's why. That's why. Oh dear, that was why. Where's Buggerlugs? He's not even bugged me for any of these duck things. Yeah, he's in his other bed, isn't he? He's not even pestered me for the ducks. No, he's at all them. No fishy fingers tonight. They've gone. Yeah, it's the duck fillets. Duck fillets, but he's not been pestering me. Well, I have been spoiling him rotten. He did have a bit of a... He had an accident last night while I was out at pool. He had an accident. I came home to a mess. Okay.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Right, so now it's the delay. It's the delay that's doing this. Oh, DM. All right then. Let's save that. Let's change that to that. Let's just make sure play plonker. Play plonker. Right. That.
What a 42 carat plonker you really are!
There we go. Right, so it's the delay. It's the delay that that's now crucifying us. So where's the delay? We need to knock the delay down. Let's say 10. See if that helps. Right, let's catch up on chat. You can use it to check numbers without having to reset. Oh, put the line at 7,000 to put the pokes to reset the screen back to its original. Yeah. But I think if we do the run stop restore, and then just that one poke, which is 648,4, which puts the cursor back onto the right page, we can then interrogate it. It's just syntax errors or something like that that we'll have to look out for. It's a pity we can't just there's a menu item that says, you know, reset. But hey ho. We'll sort it out. Oh, it's so long waiting for the sprites to load. There we go. Right. Put it out of warp. Oh, now out of warp. So we have one going the right way, one going the wrong way. Yeah. At this rate, Prince Phase will have the Amiga port done before the basic one's finished. No. I might do some work on this basic one. Now, why is that going backwards? That must have started here somewhere. But the thing is, why hasn't it reevaluated? Oh, it's not reevaluated. Oh no, we're on 2. We're on difficulty 2. We are on difficulty 2. So why is it not redone it? If difficulty 2... Oh, whoa. Right. That's what's missing. So if we're going right, we need to load the right sprite in. Oh no. Unless it's heavier in mud. Yeah. Right. Let's do this. It's a pity we can't just inject the graphics in, but never mind. Right. Sprite. Well, that's doing that. Right, so how big's the sprite, boys and girls? It is 21 tall, isn't it? Thank you, guys. It's 21 tall, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, look at this. Look at this. We got movement. We got movement. He stood still all the time. Right, we'll see if these change direction when it hits the edge. Oh, we had a turn. And we've got another turn. Nice. Nice. Right. So, if we go back to difficulty 1, we should have no moving tanks. So while that's doing. Right, so we're 21 tall. And we have so we've got 90 degrees. So the question is, are we going to have a lower limit and an upper limit, yeah? So do we have a lower limit? So we don't want to do 0 to 90, right? Because 0 is just going to on the floor, and 90 is just going to shoot back up and kill us. So what range should we make the turret? So 85 to 5? $85 to 5? No more than 50. Because then you're just shooting over a mountain. Alright then. Alright then, so what we need to do, we need to change the way the tanks are initialized then, yeah? Because we're doing 90, yeah? So if we say that it's a 45-degree angle starting at 5, yeah? So 5 to 50 is 45 degrees. So 45 increments. So that means that then we have a sprite. So if we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we say 7, so that's 14, isn't it? 14. 21 minus 7 is 14. Right. So if we say we've got 14 divided by 45 divided by 14 gives us 3 pixels. Gives us 3 degrees per pixel. So now we're looking at sorting the turret out, yeah? So the turret which one's the turret? Can you remember? Oh, 8. Turret's 8. So that's that one. Right, so I don't want that now. Oh, hang on. But I do want it because we are going to have to initialize it. Just not with the frame. Right, so this is our looper effectively. So let's do this. So 5, 6, 900, and we will. Oops. We will do this. Right. Ranging it to 50 would make it rather easy. Yeah, if we did 0 to 90, you effectively got 2 angles to hit it, yeah? So let's say, I mean, the dead giveaways on the data, yeah? So if we look at, say, this is 1 degree, so that's 36 things away. So if we look at the, oh, it's different distance. Different distance. We'll tweak it. right? So this is now a routine to display the frame, but we want then it to do the frame, but we're going to have no delay on it, right? We're going to have no delay. So 56940 is return. So here oh, what's these? What's this? " 53260. Oh, I've got to find out what that is. I've forgotten what that is. I don't know about you guys, but this not working in hex is doing me head in. Five, 3, 2, 6, 0. Oh, it's sprite X and Y. Oh right, okay, so that's the is that the turret? Sprite 6. What's sprite 6? Is the tank. We don't need them. We don't need these anymore. We don't need them. So this, right, so 575 is setting up the tanks for the level, so we don't need that. 5700 is displaying. We definitely need that. That needs to be in the loop. So we'll put that there. And we will initialize there, like that. What's going on? Whose idea was it to do basic first? Yeah, whose idea was it? Yeah? Whose idea was it? Wasn't mine. Whose idea was it? I think the name of the game sort of gives it a bit away. Right, so we don't need this. We're not going to delay anything. So this is our game loop. So this is where we display. So that is our go sub 6900. So that is our framer. What's 98? Oh, is that the shell? So we don't need that. We don't need that. Right, so this is our game. This is the start of our game loop, yeah? This is the start of our game loop. So we're going to display the tanks, but what we're going to do is we're going to do left and right, and we will sort that out. So let's have another line. So turret X equals 100. Turret Y is going to be fixed. No, turret Y. Oh, I can't remember what we put in. Did I rem it out? Oh yeah. 204. 160, 204. 204. I should have used it. Your chat overlay has thrown a wobbly. Has it? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? You've got a Prezi. You want one of these? You want one of these? Why is it so dark in here? There you go, mate. Oh, cool. That's a big one. That's going to take some chomping through, isn't it? Hey? Go on then, off you go. In your bed. Cool. That's going to take some chomping. Oh, it's not coming through here. It's not coming through here. I wonder if the bot's crashed. Let's just make sure. Right, I think the bot's crashed. Oh, it's not listening anymore. Oh, it got turfed off. It got turfed off. The chatbot got disconnected. Yeah, it's doing it now, look. It's doing it now. It got turfed off the chat. Just like the rest of us not not listening. Oh dear. Right. So TX equals turret X. TY equals turret Y. Okay, so let's have another system here. 56800. Right, so this is frame animation of the tanks. Cool, did you finish that off already? Cool, he finished that one off quick, didn't he?
I know nothing. I learn. I know nothing. I learn.
Oh, has that got to go in? I know nothing. Oh dear. He's okay, yeah. Right, let's sort this out. Rename. Right, let's stick them in there. Right, there you go. Try that out. Do you want to try that out?
I know nothing. I learn.
Yeah, we need to do something about the images. Might have to resize them, I think. Yeah, I think he's looking for the second one, but I think he's after something else as well. Yeah, gonna need a Discord bot. Yeah. But it's alright, it's good fun. Right, so we need a way to move the turret. Yeah. So if we oh, I won't be able to do that, will I? That's it. Oh, I can't use... Oh, yeah, I can. I haven't used KY, have I? No. Oh, you need to go out. Hey. Alright then. Alright. Right, guys. I'm going to send him out. You knock yourselves out on Codebreaker, alright? Won't be long. What? What is going... What's this clip? I haven't used KY, have I? No. I haven't used KY, have I? No. Oh, what? What's broke? Who won anyway? SP won again. Was it only SP playing? Oh, Mikroman was playing as well. You like it, try, man. Oh dear God, stop it. Right. He won in 3 seconds. Wow. He didn't give anybody a chance to enter anything. What I'll do is I'll put it in hard mode next time. Then you've got no chance. I need to be faster. Right. So we're going to do Pete 197. Yeah. Oh, I can't go on the website, can I? Because it's not working. Have we got the codes? Do we have the codes? No? Does anybody have the codes? You alright? You alright? Okay. Da, 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 da. Right, okay, let's go to some my source and grab the 197 codes. 197 codes, but we'll just go to some, we'll go to, what should we pick? Need codes run. That uses keyboard, doesn't it? Ah, there we go. Right. So, to make the turret go left and right, what keys should we use? A and D. Yeah? So, here. If KY equals 64, then return. So, if 64 is the number that you get when there's no key pressed. Right? And so then if KY equals, so if we do A, that's 10. Then TX equals TX minus 1 if TX is less than 24, then TX equals 24. Right, do the same for D. What's D? What, 18? D is 18. That's going to be plus 1. And if greater than 230, then 230. Yeah, I'm just trying to, I'm not getting into the mechanics. We'll do that when we go to the machine code. Go to the machine code one, yeah? Right, so we need a default angle. We need a default turret angle. So 30, yeah? So the default turret angle is 30. So, 5, 6, 8, 3, if KY equals, so if we do W and S for up and down, so we'll do up first, so that's 9, then TA equals TA plus 1, if TA is greater than 50, then TA equals 50. If KY equals W. No, S. Is 13. Then turret angle equals turret angle minus 1. If turret angle is less than 5, then turret angle equals 5. What are you guys talking about? Alternatives? Oh, only the sadist uses keyboard on the only a sadist. That's why we all have joysticks. Oh dear. What's the matter? What's the matter? Ask your door in public. Don't look at me. Ask your door in public.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Uncle SP comes to the rescue, doesn't he, eh? He's got a soft spot for you. Right. Look at that. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, you're getting a bit excited. Eh? You want that? In your bed then. In your bed. These smell, but not as bad as the fish.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
He needs a collar cam and his own YouTube channel. I could try and put a GoPro on him. He's got no teeth, but he's certainly going for it. He's got no teeth, but he's certainly going for it. Aston goes pro. Well, it is the Aston channel, isn't it? It's not me. Right. So that's the mechanic. So let's get it going left and right, yeah? Let's get it going left and right. So if we go sub 56800, so that's the routine to grab turret input routine, yeah? So if we then have a turret display routine and have 5, 6, 700. Right, so we need to put the turret on the screen. So we've got X, we have Y.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Oh dear. Okay. Alright, night night Gary. Thanks for joining. I'll talk to you later if I have problems trying to get your fruit machine into the display, yeah? Right. So let's do the X and Y. So take your time. Take your time, buddy. Did we have two? Is it lead? Oi, take your time. You can't swallow it in one go. He's trying to swallow it in one go. So it's just the one sprite. Okay. He has. He swallowed it in one go. He's a muppet. Right. 6 and 7. Right, okay. So this is the colour. That's the colour. 53260. Memory map. Five, 3, 2, 6, 0. That's the X coordinate of sprite 6, but we want sprite 8. Sprite 7, sorry. We want sprite... Yeah, sprite 8, which is sprite 7, which is 53262. That's that one there. Right. So, poke 53262, comma, turret X, and then Y. Now Y is going to be dependent on the angle. So Gary bought you a beef strip, all right? There you go. There you go. Go on. Grab it. Oh, it's in my hand. There you go. He's got no depth perception. No depth perception at all. he was trying to grab it. He was about that far away from it. Night night, Stac Bats. Yeah, I've got builders in tomorrow. Putting my battery in. Right, so we need to work out the angle, yeah? So the angle is going to be... what's the bottom? Alright, mate. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Master. Right. Oh, I've lost that page now. Oh, I've got it bookmarked now, haven't I? Where's the bookmark? There it is. So, where... Oh, that's going to be interesting, because our sprite is going to go over, isn't it? So, the X was 204, the Y was 204, right? So that's going to be at, let's say, 45 degrees, right? So... So, okay, let's work this out. So TY is equal to 204 plus 21 minus turret angle times by 3. Or divide by 3. Three degrees per pixel. Okay, hang on. Hey Docster, welcome! Is that gonna work? So 50 divided by, minus 5 is 45. 45 divided by 3. Divided by 3 is 15. Oh, that works. That works. Oh, me likey.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Uncle Docster's just bought you some. I know you're looking at me. Yeah, you can look. Here you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Let's pick it up. That's it. In your bed. Thank you, Docster, for the treat for Aston. Right. So, poke 5, 3, 2, 6, 3. Yeah. Comma TY. So this. You're hungry, wish somebody was shearing you. Right, so this should be put in the turret in the right space. So if we do return 56720 and then put that here, go sub 56720, no, 700. That should, right, let's try this out. Let's see if we can get this moving. Put warp mode on. What's up, mate? Come on, you can't have. You're not having. Can't have any more. Look in your camera down there. Look in your camera down there. Look all sad and sorry, and I'm sure someone will give you some bits. No, don't look at me. Don't look at me. You've had your treats from me all day. You've just slept it off, haven't you? Eh? Eh? Can you see him? Right. Right, let's turn warp off. Right, so A. God, this is gonna be slow. D, right. W. Right, W is meant to be making it look like it's getting higher, yeah, for the angle.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Docster, you bonkers. You bonkers, mate. Oh dear. Here we go, mate. Another from Uncle Docster. Another treat from Uncle Docster. There you go. In your bed. Thank you, Doctor. You're mental. Right, this is slow. This is slow. This is slow. Oh dear, this is slow. Well, we've got the turret moving. Yeah, and then we've got it going down. Right, this is lowering the turret. This is supposed to be simulating the lowering of the turret. The problem is, well, when we do it in assembly, it'll work. It'll work because I'll just turn the sprite off at the right point. But in basic, it's not gonna work. But it'll do. It'll do. Now we've just got to. We've just got to put the. Makes wading through a pool full of treacle look fast. Oh, what, mate? Come on, you're getting greedy. You're getting greedy. Yes, you are. Look at him. Look. You're getting greedy. Yes, you are. Right, well. We've got it doing it. We just need to now make it shoot something. Yeah? We just now need to make it shoot something.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh. Seems like doggy Doritos. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Say thank you to Uncle Docster. In your bed. In your bed. Or not. Da, da, da. Why would you not have the sprite get shorter for down and longer for up? Yes, we're trying to simulate that, but because it's basic, it's going to be difficult. In machine code, it's not going to be an issue. We'll be able to simulate the sprite getting shorter and longer in machine code, but in basic, we haven't got that control. But the thing is, we've got an awful lot of sprites in here. We've got an awful lot of sprites. You know, we're up to 80 sprites as it is, right? And look how long it takes to load in. Right? So we have four sprites to do the recoil, yeah? Oh, he's been working on other ones as well, mate. Hang on. Because he's done a battle zone. He's done a battle zone desktop. Right, so this is the battle zone background. So when we do the 6502 version, we're gonna have different backgrounds. So there's the battle zone, and then he's got the sprites to go with it. These fellas. So we've got in the machine code one's going to be epic. Pardon me. Hey, burping in here. So yeah, but we've got an awful lot of sprites. So I was trying to simulate the turret getting shorter, but in base it's going to be a bit difficult. But in when we do 6502, we'll use rastering to simulate that. Yeah. Right. So we've got it moving. Now we need to simulate. We need to simulate firing. So we need to simulate firing. Turret. Oh, Aston. Oh my God, mate. Dude, you don't come here and then just drop one.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
He's just coming in, he's just dropped one. God, dear, that stinks, mate. You're losing control of your back end, aren't you? There you go. There you go. Now, that's your last one. Alright, in your bed. In your bed. Yeah. God, it stinks, that does. Where's... Oh, my fan's not plugged in. I'd switch the fan on. Right, turret status. So, equals nothing. 1 equals 3 equals in flight. Oh dear. Partial sprite generation saves loads of memory without losing the quality. Invest in a methane converter. It's bad enough I'm spending all this money trying to save the electricity I generate as it is. Yeah. But the problem is we're in basic, so it's slow. Yeah. So in machine code it wouldn't be a problem. In machine code I would say yeah. Like when they turn around, just reverse the sprites. As SP's just said, reverse the sprites. So turret status, so that's going to be our state machine for the animation for the turret, yeah? So, one. So nothing, recoil, shoot, in flight, boom. Okay. Okay, so, alright, Mikroman, thanks for joining. Alright, I'll see you next time. Right, so, we need to start the state machine for shooting. Now, we haven't got a key for shooting, so we need to we'll use space. We'll use space. Or should we use a different key? Yeah, space. So that's 60. So if we do that, 60, then the status would equal 1, and the turret frame would equal 0. Right, so we need it. I don't think we've got turret frame equals turret at sprite frame. So frame would equal 0. So this is where we're going to do the turret frame here. Yeah. So that must be it there, 185. So let's do this then. We'll put that there like that. So we change the status to 1, and then we initiate the turret frame. So after we've displayed it, turret, right, if TS equals 1, then turret frame equals turret frame plus 1. If turret frame equals 5, then TS equals 2. And what's 2? What did we say 2 was? Shoot. Right. Right. Right, let's see if that does the recoil action. Let's see if that does the recoil action. Warp. Oh dear. Once we get the recoil action working, we'll call it then. because then we need to work out the maths for the in-flight. How we're going to work out how we display the thing. Mate, stop it! How many treats have you had? You're getting greedy now. Come on, you've been treated beyond belief all day. Right, let's slow it down to normal. Right, here we go. Press space. Does it do the recoil? No. just give bringing them on, yeah. Right, so we got a problem. Oh, that was the mistake. Typo in the variable name. Oh dear. He's just lying there now. He's just lying there. I can feel his eyes burning in the back of my head. Oh dear, mate. You're funny. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Right. So we're at normal speed. Right. Press space. Oh, here we go. Boom. Right. Right. So that did work, but it took its time. Let me put that back to 0 so we can shoot it, so it can do it again. Because it only did it once, I want to do it again. Also, I thought it did 1 frame too many, to be honest. How many frames? What? 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's one frame too many. Because it did, I think it did that. I think it did that. So it's 4. But we'll see. Well, so ignore that the frame too many. Yeah. That's fine, mate. It's all right. It's assumption that. Right. So here we go. Press space. There's the recoil. Boom. Right, so we've got it recoiling, so I'll just do it properly. We'll get it running again. I think maybe having the animation on this game may have been a mistake. You know, the tank's constantly being updated. It may have been a mistake. All that CPU power we're taking up just for the animation. Oh dear. It will be the prettiest basic game ever, yeah. But it'll be getting so slow. It's going to get slower and slower. I mean, we're on warp now. Look, that's normal. Yeah, that's normal. Right, here we go. Fire. There we go. Boom. There we go. That looks like a proper recoil, doesn't it? Boom. Boom. And then we shoot the bullet. Right, okay. It deserves to end up in the Cascade 50. Yeah, it probably will. It probably would be. It'd be interesting to see how, if we ran it through pet speed or something like that, how quicker it would get. But that's something else. Right then, guys, I'm going to call it there, right? Because we're in a good place. We've now got it to do the animation for the shoot, and we've got it going slowly, left and right, slowly, and up and down. So the reason I'm calling it is because I've got to be up early, because I've got the electricians in for the battery. They come in to install the solar battery, so they're going to be here early in the morning, because apparently it's a full day job. So I'm going to say thank you very much for joining me, and I will probably see you. It's midnight for you. I will probably see you on Monday. Alright? Alright guys, take care. Thank you very much. Have fun. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.